At the end of this video, you will know exactly in simple ways how you can use cloves to control your blood sugar levels. For many years, people have used cloves for a whole lot of different things, like making food taste better and even for some health problems or issues. Today, we are focusing on how cloves might help people living with diabetes in Nigeria or Nigerians anywhere in the world living with diabetes control their blood sugar levels. Some researches and studies have shown that cloves contain a special compound called eugenol that helps our bodies use insulin better. And don't forget that insulin is that hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. So, if your body can use insulin better, your blood sugar levels will not go so high. Cloves also contain some powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation in the body. And don't forget that inflammation in the body can make insulin resistance worse for people living with diabetes. Some other studies have also shown that cloves help slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your gut, meaning that sugar enters the bloodstream more slowly, preventing those sharp spikes in blood sugar levels after you eat. Now, let's look at how we can use cloves for blood sugar control. So, number one, we can make use of cloves by turning it into tea, making a tea from it, which is clove tea. This is very easy to make. So, all you do is just to take about 4 to 5 whole cloves and put them in a cup of hot water. So, you let it stay in the hot water for about 10 minutes, after which you strain the cloves out and drink the water. So you can drink this first thing in the morning before having anything in your stomach, or about 30 minutes before food. But note that the taste is a bit strong. Another way you can make use of clove for better blood sugar control is by grinding it in your foods. So when you are cooking your stews or your soups, or when you are making your coffee or smoothies, you can add a pinch of ground cloves. Grind your cloves into powder. You can do this in a grinder. So you can use your grinder to crush it into powder. Then use about a quarter of a teaspoon quantity. So this can add a nice taste to your food apart from the blood sugar benefits that you are going to get from it. Then the third way you can use cloves is by chewing it whole like that in small amounts. So you can chew a whole clove slowly to get the blood sugar control benefits. All you just have to do is to make sure that you don't swallow a lot at once. Chew it slowly and swallow it slowly. Also, ensure that you pay more close attention to your blood sugar levels when you start making use of cloves to see if there are any changes. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used cloves? Did you notice any change in your blood sugar? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you haven't, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.